want to show you how to create an assignment in the schoolwork section of My Big Campus, which is located right over here. Now, I recommend that you always use this option when whatever it is you're asking the students to do is something that you're going to actually take a grade on and for which you would want to give them private feedback. If it's something that you want to have as a group discussion, you would do that in your group listed in the discussion section. But for something where you and the student are going to be communicating back and forth, you don't want other students to see their answers, you don't want other students to see what you comment to them, that's going to need to go in the schoolwork section. So I'm going to click here on schoolwork. And I recommend that you always go into the templates section. You can go directly to create a new assignment, but I always create it as a template first. And then I have that template and I can go back and edit it for other classes or for future years always. So I'm going to click Create New Assignment Template. We also have a quiz template option. So we're going to give it a name here and a description. I'm going to write in here what I want the students to do. We're going to give it a maximum number of points, and then we're going to possibly attach some things to it as well. So give me a second to fill in a couple boxes here and I'll be back. Okay, so I have filled in instructions of what I want the students to do, and now I'm going to attach the resources they need to complete this. So the first thing I want them to do is watch a Bill Nye video that I've already found in the My Big Campus library, or maybe I found it out on YouTube and I added it to the My Big Campus library. But I'm going to go to Library Items, and I'm going to search earthquakes, or I could put Bill Nye if I just wanted to look for specifically that thing. And here's the video that I have already looked at that I want to include. So I'm going to attach that. Scroll down so you can see that it's attached. But I also want them to go to the U.S. Geological Survey website to see the most current earthquakes that have happened in the last 7 days, which is a website that I've added into the My Big Campus library, and the description for it is right here. So by searching earthquakes, I found both of those things. So now I'm going to close this, and I have a video, a YouTube video, and a website link attached to this assignment. Now we have a few options we need to take a look at. Do we want to allow late submissions? I always check this because if I don't, I usually regret it. I have some kid who has some good reason why he needs to do the project late, absent, or whatever. So I would just go ahead and check that. It's my opinion. Allowing the assignment to be resubmitted, this would give you the option of sending it back to the student and saying, hey, I don't really think you did a very good job here, do that again. And then I love this option too. Create a discussion with this assignment. I like this because it automatically, whatever group you're going to assign this to, it automatically puts a discussion up in that group's page so that if the students have any problems or comments on this assignment, they can go there and post those and then come back here and complete the assignment. So it'll do that for you. So we're going to click Create Template. Okay, and now let's say that I want to deploy this template. So right here, Introduction to Earthquakes, this is the assignment I just created as a template. And I'm going to come over here and click on Deploy. And this is where I actually am going to assign it to a group. I can create a custom start date if I don't want it to be visible right away. I just click this and then it gives me a date and time. So say I want this to start on Monday at 8 o'clock a.m. I can change all those things. And let's say I'm going to give them the week to do it, and it's going to be due Friday by 3 o'clock p.m. I'm going to assign it probably to an entire group or multiple groups if I have a different group for each of my classes. So I can click on the group that I want to assign it to, or I can do specific members if I want to do some differentiating. Create a discussion. Click Create Assignment, and then our assignment's going to come up. You can see that the video is embedded right within the assignment. Here's the page that they need to go to, and if I click on Student View, I'll be able to see what the students would see, which includes the box for them to write their answers.